In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss on eToro. So first things first, we need to find something we're interested in trading. So I'm going to go over here and say use Microsoft for the sake of this tutorial. Complete disclosure, I am on my virtual account right now for the sake of this. And in order to set a stop loss, we first need to trade. So I'm going to go over here to the top right and press the trade button. And then I have the option to either short or buy. If I'm going to buy stock, for example, let's do $500 worth of Microsoft stock, I then have the option to either mark it for a take profit or stop loss. Right now we have no stop loss set, but for example here, I can set that to minus 500 and basically wipe out my entire trade if the stock continues to fall. However, what I will do is say set this to minus 100, which means that if the stock falls by a certain percentage to the point where I've now lost $100, it will then pull me out of this trade. So I could say, for example, set a stop loss of only $10, and if the stock even falls just a small percentage, I could then come out of this trade automatically. Do be aware, obviously, that there will be trading fees on things like this as well, but if you want to do a stop loss of, say, $100 here, I can then set that. And once we've typed that in, I can then press set. And then I've got my stop loss now set to $100. It does show that here. I can go ahead and execute that trade, and they have confirmed the receipt of the order. If I then go over to my portfolio here, we can see that that is pending. The market is currently shut right now because I'm recording at the weekend. If I wanted to close this, I have the option to do that here. And if I wanted to trade again, I can also do that from here to set up a new one. You will need to reset the stop loss again if that's something you want to do. And that is how you set a stop loss in eToro.